What time is it now? What time is it now? It is exactly 10 o'clock. It is exactly 10 o'clock. I wake up early daily. I wake up early daily. I sleep late at night. I sleep late at night. See you in an hour. See you in an hour. See you next week. See you next week. I work every single day. I work every single day. Today is a great day. Today is a great day. Yesterday was very busy. Yesterday was very busy. Tomorrow I have plans. Tomorrow I have plans. I will arrive very soon. I will arrive very soon. Wait for a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. The meeting starts at 2. The meeting starts at 2. It happened last month. It happened last month. I exercise once weekly. I exercise once weekly. We meet every Friday. We meet every Friday. Call me later tonight. Call me later tonight. Do it right now. Do it right now. I finished it just now. I finished it just now. Always be on time. Always be on time. Never be late again. Never be late again. Time flies so fast. Time flies so fast. It takes some time. It takes some time. Start before the sunset. Start before the sunset. Finish before the morning. Finish before the morning.